What's up, guys? I was pulling flips. This will be number 4 blaster select opening. Let's get this started. This is the last one. Hopefully we pull something good again. Grab my scissors. Start from the middle. Let's see what we got. Cocomet. Alejandro Villanueva. Die cut. Odell Beckham Jr. Hot Stars. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Rookie. Jason Moore, rookie. Troy Polamalu. A.J. Dillon. Cortland Sutton. Yeah, I guess we could work with that. Alvin Kamara. My favorite players. J.K. Dobbins, rookie. Randy Moss, select turbocharged. Laviska Shenault. Peyton Manning. Zach Moss. Matthew Stafford. Michael Vick. Nothing too good in this one. These are loaded with vets. Another Laviska. Carson Wentz. Adam Thielen. Trayvon Diggs. Last pack. James Robinson. Nice. Joe Burrow. Jerome Bettis. Randy Moss. Be back with the notable pulls. Right, y'all, notable pulls. Got the Joe Burrow. Plays Concourse. Laviska Shenault Concourse. Laviska Shenault Club. James Robinson Concourse. J.K. Dobbins. Zach Moss Concourse Prism. Cole Kmet Concourse Prism. We got this A.J. Dillon Concourse die cut. And this base Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Alright guys, this was it for number 4. We'll be back at it again. I do got some optics that'll open up, so stay tuned guys.